Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. After Netflix released a documentary about former Bafana Bafana captain Senzo Meyiwa, people have been wanting to know who his wife Mandisa Mkhize is. Mandisa Mkhize is 34 years old and was married to the late soccer star Senzo Meyiwa in March 2013. Although their marriage was involved with tons of cheating scandals, she stayed with him. Mandisa is educated and holds a degree in human resource management and business administration from Durban University of Technology. And according to the documentary, you guys, she comes from a very wealthy family, as Senzo's brother mentioned that she got over 100,000 rands from her parent at her 21st birthday party as a present. Mandisa is hardworking and intelligent, as he secured a job with Nedbank back in 2006 and was eventually promoted to head of HR office in 2009, you guys. She shares a daughter named Nana with the late soccer star Senzo Meyiwa, and her daughter is 16 years old. Now, you guys do engage with me in the comment section below. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll definitely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much. Bye.